Hey guys, today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Telegram X app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here, then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So then you click here on interface, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, just go down here. You keep going down. When here remember media group in here settings show for you, click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us. That's been remember media grouping settings enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.